Hey, let me show you the best equalizer preset on the Poco F8 Ultra to get the best bass experience. So the equalizer is available when you go to the sound and vibration, sound effects, and when you go for the more. So you have to go for the custom preset, and the first one we have to go for +8 if it is possible. If not, we have to go for the +6, the highest possible one. The second one we have to lower for +4, just like this. The another one I will stay with the 0. The another one I will lower for like -1. There we go. This one I will stay with 0, and with the next one I will go for +1. Yeah. This one, let's go +2. This one +1, and this one on 0. And you can additionally also use the dynamic mode instead of the balanced, like that, and set this custom preset. And let me know what you think about the bass quality right now, and thanks for watching.